We are headed over to the sanctuary at Yates Mill, one of the best addresses and best locations in the Triangle. We've got a brand new listing that we're getting ready to launch in the new year, and Carly's there waiting for me. I'm so excited to share it with you. In fact, why don't we call her right now?
Hey, Gretchen.
Hey, I am pulling up now. Are you here?
I was too excited. I'm already here.
Oh, I can't wait to get in there and share this fabulous house.
Every single room here has been thoughtfully designed and well executed. This is a showstopper. I can't wait for everyone to see it.
Awesome. I'll see you in a second.
All right.
Let's go take a look. Carly.
Gretchen.
Isn't this fab?
It is phenomenal. How are you?
It's so good to see you. I'm so glad that we could come and kind of get this place ready to go. I'm excited to bring it to market. I mean, obviously it's in one of the best locations in the Triangle. The sanctuary at Yates Mill has large lots. It feels like a rural setting, but you can find a home that is incredibly well done. And this one, you know, I've been in a lot of houses in this neighborhood. This house is really different and really special.
Well, it's built by one of our favorite builders too. Austin Robertson from Halcyon lives right across the street too.
Oh, right across from the builder. That's awesome. So some of the unique things in this kitchen you can see just from the eye, but having a much larger range with the griddle, 6 burners, a designer backsplash.
I mean, it draws your eye right away too.
It does, and it adds so much to the kitchen. Oversized hardware, the range hood, and what I really, really like is this exceptional oversized refrigerator that's built in. It's not typically something that we see in every house in this neighborhood, right?
I feel like this is designed for entertaining.
Absolutely.
The space on this island, space for storage, you can't beat it.
Absolutely. This house has such a quiet sense of comfort to it. I love the color on the walls and just every single thing that was put into this house by these homeowners was really well thought out and really just, you know, done with an elegance that you just don't see.
Yes.
For example, the porcelain book-ended tile.
My favorite.
Yeah,
I love it.
It's gorgeous. You really just don't see that. There's hardwood flooring throughout the entire first floor. There's the bookshelves for display, the windows, there's so much light. And then how this flows into the screen porch and this breakfast space is pretty phenomenal. Like just having these doors to be able to throw open.
Opens all the way up to your screen porch. You can be out here in all seasons.
Yes, absolutely. And this just feels like another room, because it's got the built up panels on the bottom half. So it doesn't feel like a screen porch, you know, you really feel like it's room.
I know, and it's so cozy with the fireplace too.
And the stone on the floor, you know, just really thoughtfully designed. And I could see lots of afternoons out here having a cocktail with the fire going, especially this time of the year.
I know.
All right, let's go show the primary, because it looks like a bougie 5-star hotel in there.
It does, all the details.
So incredible. And just a couple things to note too, the crown molding in this home, the doorway trim, the cased opening trim, the millwork is really sensational, but it doesn't get much better than a primary suite like this.
No.
The homeowners pushed the ceiling up. They did extra detail. You've got incredible lighting in every room of this house from visual comfort.
Yes.
I mean, doesn't it feel so bougie? And then this primary bath, there's so many details in this bathroom that you know how much I love. This marble backsplash, and then the inset mirror. You just don't see that all the time.
I know, even the waterfall quartz, the standalone tub, they have thought of every detail. They even tied in all of these accents with the shower.
I love that. And the niches, the bench, the plumbing, like there's so many things in this house. The hardware is incredible. The light fixtures all just feel so good. But functionally, this house is pretty awesome because this is the closet.
This feels like an actual store to me.
It does, doesn't
There's
it?
so much room in here, so organized, and it's so easy. You have a spot for everything.
Great closet, and it connects to the laundry, which you know is one of my favorite features in the house. It makes things so functional, and they even did quartz on the laundry sink countertop, which is fantastic.
They thought of everything.
So when it comes to function, having the laundry room feed out to right here is fantastic. There's a great, we call it an adult drop zone with a bench, great lighting, just really beautifully tied together. And you know I love a friend's entrance. So you think about just entering your home every day from this space. There's a powder room here, the laundry. It's easy to get to your primary just from right here from the store. It's all right here.
The layout is perfect. It's cozy, it's functional, but it's so designer.
So designer. And obviously being built by Halcyon, Austin Robertson does not miss a beat, but these owners really took his designs to another level. So not only is this house incredibly well crafted, it's also incredibly beautiful and sophisticated, which I love.
I love the moment you enter this, you have a functional dining room, beautiful French doors, and I love that they open. You could entertain both front porch and dining room. Again, visual comfort, beautiful light fixtures.
I love the elliptical door.
I know. And again, this immediately catches your eye.
Absolutely.
And then this guest room right off the front here screams luxury hotel to me.
It does. I know. People might not want to leave if they stay in there.
I know.
The bedroom, the bathroom, the height of the ceiling is really incredible. And then the marble floors, the sink, the faucet, the lighting, it all just works so well together.
All right, Gretchen, with a little over 3,900 square feet, 2 bedrooms downstairs, 2 more upstairs. Let's go check it out.
I can't wait. And oh my gosh, these railings, the pickets, and the windows at the top of these stairs just really flood light through the entire center of the house. It's just really beautiful. And the hardwoods up here just really elevate this space. Isn't it so beautiful?
It's beautiful.
Now, I love this little hideaway room. They have hardwoods in here. It's a perfect little place for all your extra linens. It could end up being a Lego room or a reading
little kid hideaway.
Yeah, totally. And this is really incredible. I love this bedroom. Actually, both of the 2 bedrooms that are up here are right across the hall from each other.
And this ensuite bathroom is ideal. This herringbone pattern on the tile, your glass shower, and even a little hidden bookshelf back here. They've thought of everything.
Every single detail. And there's even a bench in there. I love it. This is so beautiful.
I think this one might be my favorite. The marble tile on the floor matching the marble on the mirror. Your tile all the way to the ceiling, and even crown molding in the bathroom.
I know, you rarely ever see that. And I just want to point out one thing. Even the toilets are upgraded. Even those have been thought about. This is really an exceptional space. I love that it connects to this 4th bedroom up here.
Yes, makes it very easy, very functional. Bedroom right there, and then even an additional flex space. You could do
love this.
Exercise room, little book study, whatever you need, office.
This is a huge space. It does have a closet. It doesn't count as a 5th bedroom just because it's a 4-bedroom septic, but it has all the space you need to do whatever you wanted to do with it.
Right. And then down the hallway, you have another adult little sitting area, extra overflow if you need it, from what might be my favorite room.
Oh, I can't wait. I love it.
The pool room.
Oh, this room makes me so happy. Just the thoughtfulness of putting the wood paneling, the quartz countertops. This is a perfect room to come hang out, play some pool, and really be able to enjoy each other. And it's totally worth pointing out that there's not a lot next door. So this feels like it is a massive lot, and you won't have a neighbor on the left-hand side of the house.
Which is a great advantage. And this extra storage space that's already plumbed for another bathroom. So you can easily add that.
That's fabulous. In fact, you know, I can't be in a house with a pool table without at least trying to break. Do you think I can get one in?
Yeah, let's go, GC.
Huh.
Oh, you're close.
Oh.
I'll help you out.
There we go. Nice. So everything was thought about. There's a 3-car garage that's perfect for all your parking. And what most people wouldn't notice about a house like this is the entire foundation is shrubbed, thoughtfully landscaped. It's just really a gorgeous lot. And I'll tell you, being here in the sanctuary at Yates Mill, you're 5 minutes to Crossroads, the largest concentration of retail in the Triangle. You are just a few minutes from Highway 40, from Highway 440, now to the Outer Belt. And you can get anywhere you want to go in the Triangle. Downtown is less than 15 minutes. You can get to RTP, you can get to the airport, wherever you need. It is very difficult to find a neighborhood like this with houses at this price point in this kind of location.
Somebody is going to be very lucky to get this house.
I agree. Somebody's going to get the chicest house in this entire neighborhood at an incredible price. And if you like this and you're interested, we would love to show it to you. All of our contact details are below. This one won't last long. We'll see you at the sanctuary at Yates Mill. Let's go, Carly.